Hello and welcome to Musepen.com video tutorials. In this set of tutorials, we are going to learn about the new features added in Adobe Muse CC 2015. So one of the features that has been added to Adobe Muse CC is editing of hyperlinks in InBrowser editing.com, so that your client can go to the InBrowser editing page and they now can edit hyperlinks. They can create them or they can edit them. Both the editing options are provided for images and text, so you can definitely do that. And also the link, all kind of link type are already covered, like external links, internal Muse links, phone number if you want to create a call, tel number, that is also available. Downloadable files, if you want to link or delink, you can do that. You can create emails link also, and also in case you want to remove a hyperlink from a text, you can also do that in browser editing now. So the first thing that you need to make sure to have this functionality is to have Muse CC 2015 installed on your machine and upload your files with that, so that the correct codes are uploaded to the server. Once that part is done, you can easily edit that. So let me just show you how to do that. So I have a Muse file ready for you to explain this. So I have basically created three kind of item. First text box is to create hyperlinks. So right now I have mentioned five kind of hyperlinks, five kind of text actually that are not hyperlinks now, and using InBrowser editing we would be converting them into hyperlinks. Similarly, we have another text box that has some hyperlinks already inside that, and we would be using these links to check how to delink or how to edit those active links also. Similarly, I have an image as a hyperlink which is going to Musepen.com, and we would also see how to do the editing with images also. Also, in browser editing gives you the option to decide whether the link should open into a new window or into the same tab of your browser. So that part also we would go ahead and see how to do that. So the first thing that you need to make sure is your site property has InBrowser editing enabled in the advanced tab. So in my case it is. And then you need to make sure you have a Muse CC 2015 version, and then go ahead and upload your file to the FTP host. If you have used a typekit font, it would give you a notification for that. So let's just click next, and then it would make me log in. My details are there, and let's go ahead and upload it. There's not much changes, so I don't think it should take a long time to upload the files. Almost there. Okay, so our site is updated, so let's click on OK. So it's now loading the page for the previewing purpose. So as this page is loaded, you can see there is no hyperlink into this text box. There are some over here, and this image is also a hyperlink. So as we have to edit it, first step would be to go to InBrowser editing.com, that we have already ready over here. So the link is InBrowser editing.adobe.com. Let's enter our page or the site URL, and let's click on start editing. It's asking me for my username and the password for my FTP browser. That is pre-filled, and I would just click on sign in. Once I do that, it would take me to the editing part where I can go ahead and do the editing related to text and hyperlink. So let it be loaded. It takes a moment. Okay, now so the first of all, let's go ahead and create hyperlinks. So as you can see, we have this text box and we have the option to click on edit. So either we can click on the text box itself or we can click on edit, and it would open a new box. Now do you see this button for a link? This is what InBrowser editing engineering has added to that. So let's see how to add an external link. So I just selected this text for external link. Now let's click onto this link button, and it would ask you if you want to insert link or unlink it. So there is nothing to unlink it into it. So let's just click on insert link. This is our insert link panel. So right by default it is going to external. So if you have an external link, just go ahead and mention it. If you want to mention any tooltip, you can mention that. Okay, so here you can decide whether it should open into a new window or into a same tab of your browser. So let's just check it. So this is how we add an external link. So let's click on insert link. So now you can see that it has been converted into an external link. Similarly, if I want to add an internal link, I would click onto that. I would select that text section, click on link, insert link. By default, again, it's on external, so we need to move to page because we would be using a page inside Muse. So let's go to page, and by default, it would show you all the pages that are there into plan view. Right now, my file only have desktop pages, so it has desktop pages only. But in case you have phone and tablet layout also, it would show you them also. So now I want to, let's say I want to add contact us page. So I would just select contact us page. I would mention the tooltip again. If you wish to contact us here. Let's say I want to open it into a new window. Click on insert link. Similarly, if you want to create an email, like if a person clicks on it, it should open your default email client with an email pre-populated into to field. Just select that, click onto the link, insert link, go to email address section, and let's say I want it to be contact@musepen.com. Send us an email. And let's say there's no sense for this, but still, if you wish, you can leave it blank, or you can make it open in a new window. Let's click on insert link. Next option is phone. So earlier, when you used to enter a tel number, you used to enter tel, but in this version, you don't have to do anything like that. You just need to have the correct selection. So now, as it is phone number, so we'll select phone number, and let's say it's 555-555-5555. Phone number, and click on insert link. Similarly, there was one more option to link files. So again, select the section, link, insert link, and file. So all the files you have into your assets folder of Muse would be shown over here, and not all the files. I would say only the file that you have added into assets folder from file and add file for upload. So if you have a file already there, you can select that file and you can insert link. Or if you want to add any external file that is available locally, then you can click on browse to upload, select the file, and it would be added over here, and then you can link it. So let's just link this file only this time, and okay, and click on insert link. So this is how we update all 5 types of links that are available. So if now click on update, you would observe that it has been changed, and now you have the links over here. Okay, so this is on how we create a link. Now let's just go to the part where we can edit link. So we already have a text box which has links. So if I hover over that, you see there is only edit option. But if I hover over any specific existing link, you would see there is one option to click onto that link to go to the page or to go to that link. Next to that, there is one option to edit link. So let's just click on it. It would take you to the particular edit link box for that particular link, and now you want to make changes. So let's say I want to go to, let's say, google.com, so I can update it. Let's say for internal link, this is the internal link, and if I want to link it, and instead of contact us page, I want it to go to video page, I can do that, and I just need to update it. For email, you want to edit the email, or you want to give it some other sort of link type also, so you can remove it from here, go to any link, and you can update it. So let's let it be the email link only. So contact@musepen.com. Musepen.com. Similarly, you can do it with the phone. So did you see that we did not insert the tel, but it already has the code for tel this. So edit it, change the number, or delete it, or make it any other kind of link. It's totally your choice. Similarly for the files, you can click on browse to upload, and then you can select any other file that you want to add. For example, I want to add this widget, and you will also that this widget has also been added, and I can select it and then update it. So now it's downloading the file to the sets folder, so it's taking a little longer. So this is how we edit links. Like you can add links. Similarly, you can remove hyperlink feature from a text also. So for that, you need to select the text box, click onto that, so that we come to this edit content window. And let's say I do not want this email text to have the feature of add a link. So I will just click onto the link button, and I would click on unlink. So you see that there is no feature for email. So if I just click on update, you would see that it is not there. So let's go ahead and get back that feature of email. So we'll go to the edit. I would select the text box, and I would insert link, email address, contact at Musepen.com, insert link and update, and the link is back. So similarly for image, if there is any image as a link, as a hyperlink, if you hover over that, you get three options: to click on it, to edit the link, to replace image, and edit link also. So if you click on edit link, it would take you to the same panel, and you can change its properties as per your requirement. So this is how you get the benefit of this new feature, where your client or you can edit your site with the help of this new feature without using Muse file. So once you are done making the changes, let's click on publish. There's one more thing I want to show you, so that is the reason I've just published it. So now the successfully publishing has been done. Let's go back to Muse. Let me save this file. This file is already saved, so let me just close it and let me reopen it, because some changes have already been made. So let's see what happens, because right now my Muse file do not have the changes in it. So if I open it, I should get a prompt. Here we go, that the web version of site has some changes. Would you like to review and merge the changes? So let's go ahead and click on review to review it. So once I click on review, it would show me what all changes have been made. Okay, so let's say I want these changes to be made. So any change, if there is anything, any link added, it would show it into the green line. Do you see that green line? It would show it like green, the changes made. So just let's say I wanted to merge in Muse, so merge into Muse. The second change is, again, there are a few links into the green line that have been added or changed, merge into Muse. Link asset, this. So it would give you every detail about it. So that's just done, and click on done. Now if we look at the file, earlier this file did not have any link, but now it has hyperlinks. If I click on it, you would see that there is a hyperlink available. So this is how you can use in-browser editing to add links without using a Muse file, and later you can merge the changes within Muse. And always make sure you save your file after uploading your file, because if the file is not saved, then this syncing would not work. Okay, so this is how you can use it. So in case you have any other doubt about it, or if you have any other question that I've not covered, feel free to send us an email on contact@musepen.com, and we would go ahead and try to add it to the existing tutorial, or we would get back to you over the email about the about any information that we have merged onto it. So after this video, we would be adding few more videos about other features added to Muse CC 2015. So keep watching and following our YouTube video channel. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.